Very good afternoon. See, I'm starting the session. Listen. So in the previous session, very clearly we discussed about miscellaneous functions like NVL function, NVL2 function, greatest and least functions, user and UID functions. If you want to replace the null values, use NVL function. To replace nulls and not nulls, use NVL2. To find maximum value in horizontal values, use greatest. To find minimum value in horizontal values, least. To get current user name, user function. To get current user ID, UID function. These things we discussed in the previous session. Now I want to cover rank function and dense rank function. See, so with this all built-in functions will be over. Rank function is it to apply the ranks to the records according to specific column. So according to specific column, if we want to apply the ranks, we use this rank function. And dense rank function purpose is also same. This dense rank function is used to apply the ranks to the records according to specific column. Both functions are used for same purpose. Then what is the difference between rank and dense rank? By seeing the output, you can understand. See, for example, there are marks details out there. Student marks details out there. We want to apply the ranks by using rank function. We want to apply the ranks by using dense rank function. So with this, you can understand what is the difference between rank and dense rank. With this example, you will get clarity on it. See, for example, one student got 629 marks. Okay, 930 marks, 750 marks, 820 marks, 930 marks. Okay, 820 marks. Okay, 750, 527, 750. So like these marks are there. Okay. Now, we want to give ranks to the students. So according to the marks descending order, we want to give the ranks. Means highest mark scorer to the highest mark scorer, we are giving first rank. So what are the highest marks here? 930 highest marks. How many students got? 2 students got. For 2 students, we give 1 rank. Same rank. If we use rank function, because of 2 students got same marks, for 2 students, we are giving rank 1. So now rank is given to how many students? 2 students. Next, second highest marks value is what? 820. Second highest marks value is what? 820. So to how many students rank is already given? 2 students. So because of that reason, for this 820 marks, it gives rank as 3 here, not 2. For second highest marks, if we use the rank function, it is not giving second rank here. What it is giving? 3. Because with first rank, 2 students are there. So for 820 marks, third rank, this student also got 820 marks, third rank. So to how many students rank is given? 4 students. Okay. So next rank, next highest marks value is what? 750. For 750, what is the rank it gives now? 5. Okay. 5 it is giving. Okay. For this student also 5. For this student also 5. Because they got same marks. Now total to the how many students ranking is over? 4, 5, 6, 7. Next rank will be 8. 8th rank for 629. 8th rank, one student is there. 9th rank for 527. So if we use rank function here, it does not follow the sequence in ranking. So based on the number of students, rank will be changed here. So 930 top marks, 2 students are there. So next it is not giving second rank, third rank it is giving. So with the second highest marks, 820, 2 students are there. For those 2 students, it is giving third rank. So to the 4 students, rank is applied. Next rank it is giving as 5. Like this it gives. This is rank function. Whereas if we use dense rank function follows the sequence. What are the top marks here? So how many students are there with 930? 2 students. For those 2 students, it gives rank 1. What are the second highest marks value here? 820. How many students are there? 2 students. For those 2 students, it gives rank as 2. Observe here, it is following the sequence. The difference here is dense rank follows sequence in the ranking, whereas rank function does not follow the sequence. If same value is there, it gives same rank, but for the next rank, it will not follow the sequence. Okay. Next, 820 is the second highest marks. Third highest marks are 750. How many students are there? 3 students. For those 3 students, what is the rank it is giving? 3. Next highest marks, 629. 4th rank it is giving. Okay. Next highest marks, 527. 5th. So like this, it gives the rank. So by seeing this, you can understand the difference between rank and dense rank clearly. If anyone is asking, rank function is used to apply the ranks according to particular column. And dense rank is also used to apply the ranks to the records. What is the difference between rank and dense rank means? Dense rank function follows the sequence, whereas rank function does not follow the sequence in ranking. Okay, so rank function, it does not follow the sequence in ranking. Okay, if duplicate values are there, sequence will not be followed. Whereas dense rank follows the sequence. Even if duplicate values are there, it follows the sequence. So this is about rank and dense rank. Now, according to our example, see here. So select ename comma salary from EMP, order by salary. According to the salary, descending order, we want to give the ranks. Okay. So I'm dropping this table. So fresh table I'm taking from this EMP file. I'm taking fresh file, observe. So EMP table creation query is there, and inserting records queries are also there. Just I'm copying. Observe here. EMP table is created. I'm saving the data. Observe now. So select ename comma salary from EMP, order by salary, descending order. So we want to give the ranks here. So to the highest salaried employee, we want to give top rank, first rank. To the highest salaried employee, we want to give first rank. So observe here, what is the highest salary value here? Highest salary is 5,000. So to the 5,000, which rank will be given? If we use rank function, first rank. Okay, here second highest salary is 3,000. So how many employees are there? 2 employees are there. Okay, what is the rank it will give now? 2. Okay, for 2,975, which rank it will give now? 4 rank it will give. Because 2 employees are there with same salary. Whereas if we use dense rank function here, If we use dense rank function for 5,000, only one employee is there, one rank. For 3,000, two rank. For 2,975, three rank. Dense rank is following the sequence, rank is not following the sequence here. Like this it will give. Okay, now let me use rank function and dense rank functions here. First we have to understand the syntax here. See the syntax of rank function. Rank, we write over, rank over, order by clause we use here. Rank over, order by. According to which column we want to arrange them in the order, we have to tell here. So order by column name. Order by column name we give. Okay. Then if we want to get in the ascending order, we write ASC. If you want to get in the descending order, we write DSC. That's it. Based on our requirement, we write. So according to which column we want to arrange the records in order, in which order, ascending or descending order, we have to tell. So in that order, it gives the ranks. If our requirement is according to the highest salaried employees, if you want to give highest rank, we write like this. Rank over order by. In which order we want to arrange them? In descending order, highest salaried employee to the highest salaried employee, we want to give top rank, first rank. So according to the salary, we have to arrange them in the descending order. So according to the salary, we are arranging the records in descending order, then we are giving the ranks. So for dense rank also, same syntax. Just instead of rank, using rank here, we use dense rank here. That's it. Instead of writing rank here, we write dense rank. Just in the output, difference will be there. Syntax is same. Observe. Now the question is, okay, so display the ranks of employees. Display the ranks of employees. Okay, apply ranks in. Apply ranks according to the salary. According to the salary in descending order. So we want to display the ranks of employees. Now apply the ranks according to the salary in descending order. Means to the highest salaried employee, we want to give first rank. So what we have tried here? Select. We want to get employee name, salary. And after that, we want to get the rank. I am using rank function here. What we have tried? Rank, empty parenthesis, over, order by. According to which column we want to arrange in the order? Salary. Salaries in which order? Descending order. For ascending order, no need to write ASC. Default one is ascending only. Okay. For ascending order, we have no need to write ASC. Default one is ascending order only. Ascending order is default one. We have no need to write ascending. For descending order, we must write. So we are writing like this. So rank over order by salary, descending order. From which table? EMP table. So like this we are writing. Observe now how it is giving the ranks. Just observe. So select ename comma salary. We want to apply the ranks by using rank function. So rank over, use the class order by, according to which column? Salary column, descending order. From which table? EMP table. Now it displays the ranks. Observe here. See here. So here column name is lengthy. I want to give alias name now. So to give alias name, they simply write as RNK. RNK is the alias name. RNK means rank from EMP. Observe here. Observe the ranks. Which function we are using here? Rank function. Observe the ranks. To the highest salaried employee, which rank it is giving? First rank. To the second highest salaried employees, it is giving second rank. So with second rank, 2 persons are there. So to the 3 persons rank is given. So next for third highest marks, what it is giving? 4 it is giving. Observe here. Only one employee is there, 4, then 5, then 6, then 7. Only one employees are there. Next, after this ninth rank, observe here. 2 employees are there with same salary. Okay, which rank it is giving? 10. After 10, with 10, 2 employees are there. So next it is not giving 11, it is giving 12. Because 2 employees are there. So 12 it is giving. Whereas, if I use dense rank function here, same example, I am using dense rank function. So instead of using rank function, we are using dense rank function now. The same query, dense rank we are giving. We want to give alias name here. So alias name we are giving as RNK. RNK is the alias name. Observe here. So select ename comma salary. Okay, we want to apply dense rank function. Dense rank over order by salary descending order. We are giving alias name as RNK from EMP table. So like this we are writing. Okay, observe here. We are using dense rank function now. See, to the top salary, it is giving first rank, only one employee is there. But with 3,000 salary, 2 employees are there. It is giving same rank. To the third highest salary, which rank it is giving? 3 it is giving. Okay, whereas if you use rank function, is it giving 3 rank here? No, it is giving 4 rank here. This is the difference we have to understand. That's it. So there it is giving 4, here it is giving 3. Okay, and here 2 employees are getting same salary. 1250, 9th rank. After 9, what it is giving? 10 it is giving. It is following the sequence in the ranking here. But whereas rank function does not follow the sequence. So based on the number of employees, based on the number of records, rank number will be changed here. Okay, next. Now my requirement is, observe carefully. I want to display highlighted also. Observe. See here. Now my requirement is, I don't want to give same ranking to anyone. I don't want to give same ranking to anyone. Here observe, for first employee rank 1. For second employee rank 2. So 2 employees are there. I'm using dense rank. See here. In case of dense rank, so 2 employees are getting same salary. So to the 2 employees it is giving which rank? Second rank. But same rank I don't want to give to the multiple employees. My requirement is, if salary is same, I want to check the seniority. To the senior person, I want to give highest rank. Okay, here Ford and Scott, both employees are getting same salary. If salaries are same, I don't want to give same rank here. I want to check the seniority. To the senior employee, I want to give highest rank. That is my requirement. So observe here. Here King is getting highest salary. So to this person, we want to give first rank. Only one employee is there. But with 3,000 salary, how many employees are there? Observe here. 2 employees are there. If salaries are same, I want to check the seniority now. In these 2 employees, who is the senior employee? This employee joined on, Ford joined on 3rd December 1981. Scott joined on 9th December 82. Who is the senior here? Ford is the senior. Ford joined in 81. Okay, Scott joined in 82. So Ford joined first. So Ford is senior. So to the senior, I want to give highest rank here. Okay, so to the Ford, I want to give second rank. And to the Scott, I want to give third rank. In the same way, here this is 4th rank, then 5th rank, then 6th rank, 7, 8. Okay. Next, till 1500, 8th rank. Okay, then this is ninth rank. Okay, so after ninth rank, observe here, these two employees are getting same salary. So I don't want to give same rank here. So 1250 means if we see according to the salary, we have to give 1010 here. But we don't want to give same rank here. According to the seniority, we want to give if salary is same. So in these two employees, in the Ward and Martin, who is the senior here? Ward is the senior. So to the Ward, I want to give 10th rank. And to the Martin, I want to give 11th rank. Like this. If salaries are same, I want to check with the seniority. So apply ranks to employee records according to salary in descending order. So to the highest paid, highest salaried employee, we want to give first rank. So descending order we are arranging. If salary is same, don't apply same rank. If salary is same, then check with seniority. So to the senior employee, give the first rank, top rank. That is our requirement. Check with seniority. So to the senior employee, we want to give top rank. So what we have to write is select e-name, comma salary, comma hire date. From which table? Sorry. We want to apply ranks here. Using dense rank, we want to apply. So what we are using here? Dense rank. In this case, rank or dense rank, both give same result. So dense rank over rank over order by. According to which column we want to arrange them? According to the salary, descending order. So here using order by clause, just according to the salary we are arranging. So first priority will be given to the salary. If salary is same, in that case only, that has to check with the hire date. So what we are writing here, comma, hire date. So according to the hire date, which order we want? For example, one employee joined in 1981. One employee joined in 1981. One employee joined in 1982. Okay. If minimum date is there, is the maximum experienced person. In the 1981 is the minimum date. 1982 is the maximum date. Okay. So 1981 minimum date, minimum year. 1982 is the maximum year. So this is ascending order only. Okay. The employee who is more senior, to him we want to give highest rank. So if minimum date is there, he is most senior. If minimum date is there, he is senior. The employee joined in 1981 is senior than 1982. So we have to arrange hire dates in ascending order. For ascending order, we have no need to write anything. By default, it takes ascending order only. If you want to write, you can write also. You can write ASC here. Even if you don't write, no problem. So when it consider hire date, when salary value is same, in that case only. Otherwise, it will not check the hire date. For example, first employee salary 5,000. Next employee salary is 3,000. This employee joined on 1st January 1982. This employee joined on 30th April 1981. So with 5,000 salary, one employee is there. First rank it will take. So just it checks salary only. Is it check hire date now? No. When salaries are same, in this case only, it go for hire date. Otherwise, it will not consider hire date. In this case only, it checks hire date now. Here, because salaries are same. Among these two employees, who is the most senior? This employee joined in 81. This person is senior. So according to ascending order, we are arranging. So it gives second rank for this person, and third rank for this person. So to the most senior employee, we are giving top rank. So ascending order, 81 first, 82 next, ascending order. So in ascending order, we are arranging. So minimum date means maximum experience. From which table? EMP table. So first priority will be given for salary only. When salary is same, in that case only, that check the hire date. Observe here. So select e-name, comma salary, okay, comma hire date. Sorry. Comma. Using dense rank, we want to give the ranks now. Dense rank over order by. According to which column we want to arrange? Salary, descending order. First priority for salary. If salary is same, in this case, we want to check with hire date. Hire date in which order? Ascending order. Even if we don't write, no problem. So to get clarity, I'm writing ASC here. Default one is ASC only, ascending order only. Even if you don't write, no problem. For descending order, we must write. Okay, I want to give alias name here. So alias name I'm giving as rank. From which table? EMP table. Now observe the ranks here. Now ranks are not duplicated. Observe here. Previously it was giving 2 rank for 3,000 salaried employees. But now according to the seniority it is giving. With 5,000 salary, how many employees are there? 1 employee. With 3,000 salary, how many employees are there? 2 employees. If salary is same, it checks with hire date. So in the 81 and 82, this employee joined in 1981, this employee joined in 1982. Who is the most senior? The employee joined in 81. So it is giving second rank. Observe. When salary is same, according to the seniority, it is giving second rank. This employee junior, third rank. With 2,975, 1 employee only. Next. So here ranks, observe here. Ranks are not duplicated till 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ranks are not duplicated. When salaries are same, it is not giving same rank here. According to the hire date, it is checking. Now you may get the doubt. Sir, if hire date is same, what we have to do, sir? Check with employee number. Check with employee ID. Employee ID will not be same. Okay, so what we are right now? Comma, employee number. Ascending order. Okay, next. Observe one more salary. 1250 salary is there. Observe here. So if salary is same here salary is same. When salary is same here, it is checking according to the seniority. So which employee is the senior? This employee joined in February 1981. This employee joined in September 1981. Who joined first? February 1981. This employee joined first. So it is giving top rank to him, 10th rank. To the next employee, 11th rank. So if salary is same, it is checking with the hire date. Okay, so like this, we can apply the ranks. This is about rank and dense rank. And this is about built-in functions. All built-in functions are over. Built-in functions chapter is over. So you can categorize built-in functions as string functions, conversion functions, aggregate functions, date functions, math functions, and miscellaneous functions. So in the string functions, we discussed string functions like lower, upper, init cap, L trim, R trim, etc. Conversion functions like toChar, toDate, toNumber. For converting one data type to another, we are using them. Aggregate functions like min, max, count, sum, AVG we discussed. Date functions like sysdate, systimestamp, okay, add months, last day, next day, months between, etc. And also we discussed math functions, okay, like power function, sqrt function, trunc, round, mod, sign, etc. And also we discussed about miscellaneous functions like NVL, NVL2, greatest, least, rank, dense rank, etc. So all built-in functions are over. Next topic is case expressions. So topic name is case expressions. So very easy topic, easily you can understand. Just listen. So topic name is case expressions. So this case expression feature introduced in Oracle 9a version. So before Oracle 9a version, this case expression concept was not available. Then what is the purpose of this case expression, sir? The case expression purpose is, it is used to implement the if then else control structure. So this is used to implement if then else. Used to implement if then else in SQL. So in the SQL, if you want to use if then else, we can use this case expression. In C or Java, you are using if control structures. In C or in Java, you are using if else if. You are using if else if. So to implement this if else if, to implement this if else or if else if, in C or Java, you are using if else if. So to implement this if else or if else if in our SQL, we can use this case expression. So if this case expression feature is not available, please don't operate mobile in the classroom. Listen the class. This case expression is used to implement if then else in the SQL. So actually our PLSQL is providing control structures to us. I already told PLSQL is the procedural language. SQL is the non-procedural language. SQL is the non-procedural language. PLSQL is the procedural language. Means in the PLSQL we write the programs, their control structures are there. In the SQL, we will not write programs. Just we write the queries here. Here we will not write the programs here. But sometimes we need to check the condition. So to check the condition, if then else is required. So like if then else if in the PLSQL, here we can use case expressions. So in C or Java, we are calling if else if, whereas in our PLSQL, we call if else as if then else. So if else if we call as if then else if. So here this is not spelling mistake. Else if means we write ELSIF in the PLSQL. And this is complete one word, else if. This is not spelling mistake. So to implement if then else or if then else if in the SQL, we can use the concept case expression concept. In C or Java, we are using if else control structure, if else if control structure. Whereas in our PLSQL, the same if else we are calling as the if then else here. The if else if we are calling as if then else if here. So to implement this if then else or if then else if in our SQL, there is one feature is there. What is that one? Case expression. Sometimes we need to check the conditions. So to check the conditions, we can use this case expressions. So it is used to implement if then else in SQL. What is the advantage we are getting? It avoids of writing a separate PLSQL program. So it avoids of writing a separate PLSQL program. It avoids of writing a separate PLSQL procedure or program. We have no need to write separate program. In one query, we can check the conditions in the SQL itself. In the SQL query itself, we can check the conditions. We have no need to write a separate PLSQL program if we use the case expression. So by seeing examples, you will get clarity. See, this case expression can be used in two ways. Case expression can be used in two ways. Those two ways are, first one is simple case and second one is searched case. Understanding this is very, very easy. This simple case is just like switch control structure in C or in Java. The searched case is just like if else if, just like if else if, just like if else or if else if in C or Java. So if you are from C Java background, you can easily understand if you compare like this. Simple case is just like switch control structure in the Java. The searched case is just like if else if control structure in the Java. So case expression can be used in two styles. One is simple case, another one is searched case. So first one is simple case. So see about simple case now. Simple case. Simple case syntax is, we write like this, case. Then here we give the column name or expression. Here we write the column name, case, column name. When this column value is equals to this value, value 1 we give here. When, then return this expression. Return expression we write. So like this we can write any number of when thens. Case, column name, when we give one constant value here, then return this value. If column value is equals to this value, return this value. So like this we can write any number of when thens. When, value 2, then return expression. When, value 3, then return expression. Like this we can write any number of when thens. Finally we write else. Else return expression we need to write. To close this case we write end. End we write. And writing this else is optional, not compulsory. We can stop with when then also. So this is the syntax for simple case. So case, column name, when, value, then return expression. When, value 2, then return expression. When, value 3, then return expression, like this. So what happens here is, here it captures the column value. If column value is matching with this value, it executes this one. If column value is not matching with value 1, then only it checks with value 2. If value 2 and column value same, it returns this expression. When value 2 is not matching with column value, then only it checks with value 3. If value 3 is matching with column value, it returns this expression. Like this, if all are not matching, it returns else expression. So it is same as execution process is same as if else if in the Java. I'm sorry. Switch. The execution process is same as switch in the Java. Okay. Switch in C or Java. There, what you write? Switch expression you write here. Switch expression you write. After that, what you write? Case constant value you write. Okay, case constant value 1. Constant 1. Constant means what? Value only. Here it captures the expression value. If expression value matches with constant 1, it executes these statements. And then to come out of the switch, what you're writing? Break. So like this, you can write any number of cases. So case constant 2, statements break. So like this, you can write any number of cases. Finally, what you write here? Default. Default statements you write. So this is switch control structure. Observe here. Here what happens? Here it captures the expression value. If this expression value matching with this constant value, it executes these statements and comes out of the switch. It is not checking remaining constants here. When constant 1 is not matching, then only it checks with the constant 2. If constant 2 and this expression value matching, that executes these statements, comes out of the switch. If this one also not matching, checks with another constant. If that one not matching, checks with another constant. If all constants are not matching, default statements get executed. This you already know. In the same way, when first constant is not matching, then only it checks with constant 2. If it is matching, it executes these statements. When first constant is matching, it will not check remaining constants. In the same way, here also, first it captures column value here. Here it captures column value. If this column value is matched with this value 1, that returns this expression and comes out of the case. If first value not matching with column value, then only that checks with value 2. If value 2 and column value matching, that returns this second written expression. If this second value also not matching, then only that checks with value 3. If value 3 is matching, that returns this expression. If this one also not matching, if all are not matching, it returns else expression. This is the execution process. So it is same as switch control structure. Okay, same as switch control structure means switch can check equality condition only. Okay, can switch check whether values are greater or less? No. Switch can check equality condition only. Switch cannot check whether values are greater or values are less. It cannot check. In the same way, simple case can check equality condition only. Simple case can check equality condition only, whether column value matching with this value or not, equal or not. Whether column value is matching with second value or not. If matching, that returns this expression. If column value matching with value 3, that returns third expression, like this. Column value matching with this value or not, it is checking. So equality condition only it can check. It cannot check whether value is greater or less. It cannot check. So simple case can check. Simple case can check. The simple case can check equality condition only. It cannot check whether value is greater or less. It cannot check whether value is greater or less. It cannot check. It can check only equality condition. Okay, now see some examples on simple case. 2 examples I explained now. Try to understand. Here EMP table is there. Observe. See here. So here different job designations are there. Observe here. Clerk, manager, president, salesman, different job designations are there. My requirement is for managers, I don't want to display manager title. For managers, I want to display boss title. This is my requirement. Wherever manager is there, manager we want to replace with boss. For president, we don't want to get president value. So this is the most common query in the interviews. How can you replace manager value with boss, president value with big boss? Okay, and clerk value with worker. Clerk value we want to replace with worker. So, and other than other than manager, president, clerk are there, we want to replace them with employee. So for salesman employee, for analyst employee, like that. So what is our requirement now? Managers we want to replace with boss. President we want to replace with big boss. Clerk we want to replace with worker. Salesman, other than these job designations, we want to replace with employee. That is our requirement. So display job titles as following. Display job titles as following. For president, we want to display as big boss. And for manager, we want to display boss. And for clerk, we want to display worker. And for others, if any other job designations are there like salesman, analyst, we want to display employee. This is our requirement. So display job titles as following. If president replace with big boss, manager titles replace with boss, clerk title replace with worker. If any other job titles are there, replace with employee. So here president, manager, clerk, these are which column values? Please confirm. President, manager, clerk, these are which column values? Job column values. So we need to check the job value now. Job value, president or not, manager or not. Like that we have to check. Now follow this syntax now. Case, which column name we have to give here? Job. If job value, when value 1 we are giving as manager. When job value is matching with manager, then what we want to return? Big boss. That's it. Okay. So case job when manager, then what it has to return? Big boss. Sorry. For manager, boss. Okay. Boss. Next, when value 2, president. Okay. For president, then if job value is matching with president, then what it has to return? Big boss. Okay. Like that, when job value clerk, then what we want to return? Worker. Others means where we have to write else. Else what we want to return? Employee. That's it. Very easy. Just we are following this syntax only. Okay. So write like this. Select. We want to display employee names, their job titles and salaries we want. Okay. So job titles, we don't want to get as table data. So president, we want to replace as big boss, manager, boss, clerk, worker, others, employee. So write case here. Case. Which column value we want to check? Job. When job value is matching with president, when job value matching with president, then what it has to return? Big boss. So big boss we are writing. So president value will be replaced with big boss now. When job value is matching with the manager, when job value is matching with the manager, then what it has to return? Boss. Listen carefully. String comparison is case sensitive. Here this president string value that is comparing with this job value. So case should be matched here. In the table, president data is in uppercase. So we must write uppercase data only here. And when. Okay, next title is what? Clerk. When clerk, then clerk we want to replace as worker. So worker we are giving. Okay, for others we want to give employee. So write else employee. So because of strings, we are using single quotes. If not string, don't use single quote. Okay. So now this is one column, right? For this column, I want to give the alias name. So to close this case, what we are writing? End. So now like E name is the column. Okay. So job values we want to display according to our requirement like this. So case expression we are writing. For this, I'm giving alias name as job. So if you don't give this alias name, it displays case job when as the column heading. It gives column heading as case job when like that. So that's why for this case expression, we are giving alias name as job. Okay, after that I want to get salary. So comma salary. From which table? EMP table. That's it. So employee name, jobs will be displayed. Then salary column value will be displayed from EMP table. So observe here, I'm copying this. See here. So king is the president. For president, what it is giving? Big boss. And Blake, clerk are the managers. So it is giving boss. Okay. And Adams, James, these are the clerks. So for clerks, it is displaying worker. Ford may be salesman. It is displaying employee. Okay. For salesman, analyst, it is displaying employee. Like this. So this is the way of using case expression. So what is happening? Just try to understand here. So these are the column values. So what we have written case, column name we have given as job, when president, then big boss we have written, when president, then big boss we have written, and when manager, then boss we have written. Okay, when clerk, then worker we have written, else. Worker we have written, else employee. Else employee we have written. So to close this case, we have written end. So now here it captures the job value. What is the job value here? Analyst. Now job value is analyst here. Is analyst value matching with president value? No. Is it matching with manager value? No. Is it matching with clerk value? No. It executes else part. So analyst will be replaced with the employee. For next one also same, employee. Next clerk is there. Now what is the job value now? Sorry. What is the job value now? Job value is clerk now. Job value is clerk. Is clerk matching with president? No. Is clerk matching with manager? No. Is clerk matching with clerk? Yes. So what it returns? Worker. So clerk will be replaced with worker. Here manager is there. Now job value is manager. Is manager matching with president? No. Is manager matching with manager? Yes. What it returns? Boss. Next title is president here. Now job title is president. Is president matching with president? Yes. It replaces with big boss. So like this, it gets executed. So this is the way of using simple case. One more example. Second example on simple case. Update or increase salary of employees as following. So in the update command, we have written many queries to increase the salaries. So to increase 20% salary to all employees, what we have written? Update EMP set salary equals to salary plus 0.2, like this we have written. Salary into 0.2. So on salary, 20% we are calculating. To the current salary, we are increasing 20%. Like this we have written. If we write like this, it increases 20% salary to all employees. But now our requirement is, we want to increase like this. If department number is 10, then we want to increase 10% salary. If department number is 20, then we want to increase 20% salary. If department number is 30, then we want to increase 15% salary. So if department number is 10, increase 10%. Department number 20, increase 20%. Department number 30, increase 15%. If other department, okay, for others, we want to increase 5%. So this is our requirement. Okay, so here, for different departments, different increment we want to give. For all employees, if 20%, directly you can write update EMP set salary equals to salary plus salary into 0.22 like that. But for different departments, different increments, different percentage of increments we want to give. So we want to increase the salary. We want to update the values. Which command we have to use? Update. In which table we want to update? MP. Set. Which column values we want to modify? Salary equals to. So how much percentage we have to find now? If department number 10, then 10% we want to increase. If department number 20, 20%. Department number 30, 15%. If other than these three departments, 5%. So salary equals to, if we want to increase 20% salary, directly we rate like this, salary plus salary into 0.2. But this value, this 20%, we want to get when department number is 20. So now department number is 10 or not, 20 or not, we have to check. So here we have to write the case expression, salary equals to, write case expression now. Using case expression, we want to check what? Department number. When department number is matching with 10, then for department number 10 employees, how much salary we want to increase? To the current salary, increase 10%. Current salary plus salary into 10% means 0.1. So to the current salary, it adds 10%. Okay. Next, when department number is 20, then if department number is matching with 20, then the salary value should become salary equals to salary plus how much percentage? 20%. Salary into 0.2. For 10th department, 10%. For 20th department, 20%. So if department number is 10, then that written salary plus salary into 0.1. To the current salary, it increases 10%. So if department number value 20, 20% it increases. For 30 department, 15%. For 30 department, 15%. So when 30, then salary plus salary into 0.15. So if other than these departments, records are not there in the EMP table, but I'm writing else. Other than these departments, then we want to increase 5% to the current salary plus salary into 0.05. To close this case, what we are writing? End. Here we are updating. No need to give alias name. To display, give alias name. To display column heading, we are giving alias name. For updating, alias name is not required. Don't give. Just updating. So if department number is 10, to the current salary, we are increasing 10%. If department number is 20, to the current salary, we are adding 20%. If department number is 30, to the current salary, we are adding 15%. If not department number 10, 20, 30, then to the current salary, we are adding 5%. So this is the way of updating employee salaries. See here. So just I'm copying this update query here. Observe. See here what it is telling. 14 rows are updated. So previously Smith salary was 800. Now I'm retrieving the salaries here. Employee number, department number, salary from EMP. All 14 employee salaries are updated. Previously salary was, Smith salary was 800. Allen salary was 1600. Observe now. Sorry. Employee names I didn't retrieve here. See here. So Smith's salary, previously his salary was 800. So Smith is working in 20th department. So 20% on 800. Okay, that much salary increased. Now his salary is what? 960. Allen is working in 30 department. Previously his salary was 1600. Allen's salary was 1600. Now Allen's salary is 1840. Previously 1600, now 1840. 30 department means 50% salary increased. So like this, all salary values are updated here according to the department number. So like this, we can use simple case. The simple case is same as switch control structure. There we are writing case constant value. Here just we are writing when then. In between when then we are specifying the constant value. Next one is searched case. Searched case. So for searched case syntax is, we write like this. Case. After case, don't write any column name here. Directly write when, condition here, then written expression. Written expression. So like this, we can write any number of when thens. So when condition 2, then written expression. When condition 3, then written expression. So like this, we can write any number of when thens. Finally, we write else, written expression here. And writing this else is optional, not compulsory. And to close this case, we write end. So this syntax we have to follow for searched case. Now observe here, observe the simple case syntax and searched case syntax. In the simple case, after case, what we are writing? Column name. Because here we have to capture the column value, we have to compare with this value. So after case, here we are writing column name. But in case of searched case, after case, don't write anything. After case, don't write anything. There, in the when, we are writing constant value. Here, in the when, what we are writing? Condition. Condition 1, then written expression. When condition 2, then written expression. When condition 3, then written expression. Like this. So when it is useful, listen. My requirement is, I want to find result of students. So university is conducting 100 marks paper. Student must get minimum 40 marks in each subject. Then only his result is pass. Otherwise his result is fail. This is the rule in the university. So there is one table is there, observe. So select star from student. Student table is there, observe. So here first student. Is first student result pass or fail? Pass. Why? In all subjects, he got greater than 40. Second student result is pass or fail. How you are telling? In second subject, he got less than 40. So in all subject, if student is getting 40 or greater than 40, result is what? Pass. In any subject, if student is getting less than 40 means the result is fail. Here in first subject pass, in third subject pass. But in second subject, he got less than 40. So result is what? Fail. Okay. So we want to find the result of these students. So if result column is there, we have to use update command. But result column is not there. Temporarily, I want to calculate. So temporarily, if you want to calculate and see, we have to use select. Okay. So if result column is there, we have to use update command. but result column is not there. Just temporarily we want to calculate and see. So we are using select command here. So what we want to get, student ID, student name, and his result we want to get. That is our requirement. So to get result column is not there. We need to find the result now. We want to find the result by using case expression. Case when. Write the condition for pass. Okay, what is the column name here? M1. Whatever the column name is there, that we have to use in the condition. Here column name is what? M1. So write when M1 marks value, M1 marks must be greater than or equals to 40. Then he passed in first subject. Similarly, in the M2 also, he must get 40 or greater than 40. In the M3 also, he must get 40 or greater than 40. Here, how many conditions are there? 3 conditions are there. To separate these 3 conditions, we have to use AND operator or OR operator. AND operator. Why AND operator? All conditions should be true here. In every subject, he must get 40 or greater than 40. So then, if this condition is true, his result is pass or fail? Pass. So we want to return pass now. So then return pass value. Similarly, write the condition for fail. What is the condition for fail? You can write else here. Else you can write. Simply you can write else. Otherwise, what we want to return? Fail. If you want to write condition, you can write condition M1 less than 40 or M2 less than 40. Like that you can write. If you want to write the condition, you can write like this. When M1 less than 40 or M2 less than 40. Okay, see here. For this case expression, I'm giving alias name as result here. Result. From which table? From which table? Student table. So student ID, student name, and result we are finding here by using case expression. So with this, the advantage is we have no need to write separate PLSQL program. Just in the SQL query itself, we are implementing the if then else. Observe here, first student result is what? Pass. Second student result is what? Fail. See here. First student, in all subjects he got greater than 40, pass. Second student result is fail. In second subject he got less than 40, result is fail. So like this, we can use searched case. This is example of searched case. Now last example, one more example on searched case. See here. Display employee records with salary ranges. If salary is greater than 3,000, if salary is greater than 3,000, then display that as the display salary range as. Then display salary range as high salary. If salary is less than 3,000, then display that salary range as low salary. If salary is equals to 3,000, then I want to display that salary as the average salary. This is my requirement. Okay, observe here. We want to display the employee records with salary ranges. If salary is greater than 3,000, we want to display high salary. If salary is less than 3,000, then display low salary. If salary is equal to 3,000, then display average salary. So for this, what we have tried, select employee names we want to display and salaries we want to display. Then salary range we want to display. Salary range column is not there. We want to find the salary range now. Observe here in the EMP table, is there any salary range column? Salary column is there. Salary range is not there. We need to find. If salary is greater than 3,000, we have to take that salary as the high salary. Salary is less than 3,000, low salary. If salary is equal to 3,000, average salary. So find salary range here. What we are write here? Case. Don't write anything. When observe here, salary greater than 3,000. Observe now the condition greater than condition we are using. So can we use simple case for checking greater than? No. Simple case can check only equality condition. It cannot check whether values are greater or less. So only searched case can check it. So when salary is greater than 3,000, then what we want to return? High salary. When salary value is less than 3,000, then what we want to return? Low salary. Okay. Else, otherwise, if value is not greater than 3,000, not less than 3,000 means what? Equals to 3,000. If you want to write when salary equals 3,000, you can write. Not required. Else, what we want to return? Average salary. To close this case, what we are writing? And as I want to give alias name as salary range in multiple words, so use double quotes. From which table? EMP table. Observe here, I'm copying this. See here. So what it is displaying, observe. Here this Ford employee salary is 3,000. What it is displaying? Average salary. King salary is greater than 3,000. What it is displaying? High salary. So these salaries are less than 3,000. What it is displaying? Low salary. Observe here, salary ranges we got. So like this, we can display the salary ranges. So this is the way of using case expression. So based on the condition, if you want to get the values, at that time we can use this searched case like this. So finally the conclusion is, case expression can be written in two styles. One is simple case. Another one is searched case. Simple case can check only equality condition. Searched case can check any type of condition. In C or Java, switch can check only equality condition, value matching. If else if can check, okay, greater, less, equal, any type of condition can check. In the same way here, simple case can check equality condition only. Searched case can check any type of condition. So the difference between simple case and searched case is, simple case is same as switch control structure in C or in Java. Okay, so it can check equality condition only. Whereas searched case is just like if else if in C or Java, it can check any type of condition. Okay, so this is about case expression. Case expression topic is over. In the next session, we discuss about interval expressions. So this interval expression is the feature introduced in Oracle 9a version to work with date values, time values. This is so much useful. And after this, we discuss about flashbacking data. After commit also, for example, accidentally we are deleting all records and we used commit command. After commit, how can we flash back the data? That part we discuss. After this, if time is there, I start the new topic, classes in SQL. So for interview purpose, this classes is very, very important. So tomorrow we discuss in